Rania al-Abdullah is Queen of Jordan as the wife of King Abdullah II. Rania was born in Kuwait to Palestinian parents. She received her bachelor's degree in business at the American University in Cairo. In 1991, following the Gulf War, she and her family fled to Amman, Jordan, where she met Prince Abdullah of Jordan. Before meeting him, she worked at Citibank and then took a job in the marketing department at Apple Incorporated. Since marrying Abdullah in 1993, she has become known for her advocacy work related to education, health, community empowerment, youth, cross-cultural dialogue, and microfinance. Forbes magazine has ranked Rania as one of the world's 100 most powerful women. Queen Rania's first venture was the establishment of the Jordan River Foundation, JRF, in 1995. The Jordan River Children Program, JRCP, was developed by Queen Rania to place children's welfare above political agendas and cultural taboos. This led to the launch, in 1998, of JRF's Child Safety Program, which addresses the immediate needs of children at risk from abuse and initiated a long-term campaign to increase public awareness about violence against children. The deaths of 2 children in Amman as a result of child abuse in early 2009 led Queen Rania to call for an emergency meeting of government and non-government, including JRF, stakeholders to discuss where the system was failing. In 2009, to celebrate the 10th anniversary of her husband's accession to the throne, Queen Rania launched a Community Champion Award, Ahel al-Himma, to highlight the accomplishments of groups and individuals who have helped their local communities. Queen Rania initiated the Al-Aman Fund for the Future of Orphans in 2003. In her capacity as regional ambassador of Injaz al-Arab, Queen Rania has taught classes and engaged in dialogue with young people in other countries. She also launched Injaz al-Arab's presence elsewhere in the Arab world. She chaired a discussion with entrepreneurs in celebration of Injaz al-Arab's 10th anniversary, showcasing alumni success stories. At the 2008 World Economic Forum in Davos, she launched the Empowering 1 Million Arab Youth by 2018 campaign, which was conceived by Injaz Arabia. In 2005, Queen Rania established the Royal Health Awareness Society, RHAS, to educate parents and children about the basics of nutrition and hygiene, the benefits of exercise, the harms of smoking, and other areas related to health. In 2011, the first specialized medical building for children was built in Jordan, Queen Rania Children's Hospital, established to improve the medical service for Jordanian children. The hospital provides for the care of children, especially complex medical cases including organ transplants and endoscopic operations. In November 2000, in recognition of her commitment to the cause of children and youth, the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, invited Queen Rania to join its Global Leadership Initiative. In early 2002, Queen Rania joined the board of directors of the International Youth Foundation, based in Baltimore, Maryland, in the United States. In January 2007, Queen Rania was named UNICEF's first eminent advocate for children. In August 2009, Queen Rania became honorary global chair of the United Nations Girls Education Initiative, UNGEI. As a longtime supporter of the Global Campaign for Education, GCE, Queen Rania met with children and inspirational women in South Africa, both in the cities of Johannesburg and Soweto, in March 2009. One of the stories in the book, Maha of the Mountains, was contributed by Queen Rania. During her April 2009 U.S. trip, Queen Rania joined leading education advocates Congresswoman Nita Lowey and counselor to the Secretary of the Treasury Gene Sperling to launch the Big Red as part of global campaign for Education's Global Action Week, calling for quality basic education for all children. She was also hosted by First Lady of the United States, Michelle Obama, during that same trip. On August 20th, 2009, Queen Rania co-founded and led the launch of the One Goal, Education for All campaign alongside Gary Lineker and with the help of top international footballers at Wembley Stadium, London. On October 6, 2009, Queen Rania was joined by Prime Minister Gordon Brown of the UK, the President of FIFA, Sepp Blatter, President Jacob Zuma of South Africa, and other heads of state for the global launch of One Goal, which took place across 6 locations worldwide.